Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to prepare a classic Caesar salad at home just like you get in a restaurant. The main device you'll need is a wooden bowl, and the wooden bowl just incorporates the anchovies, the garlic, the oil, and all those ingredients really well. If you don't have a wooden bowl, this kind of bowl will do. I've done it in this bowl quite a few times, but just recently I purchased this wooden bowl for myself, and it's a perfect size for 1 to 2 people. So let's get on making our Caesar salad. So I'll just go over the ingredients quickly, and they'll be listed below this video. So we have canola oil, Dijon mustard. It has to be Dijon, not yellow mustard, but Dijon. Bit of Worcestershire sauce, fresh anchovies. We're going to be using 3 fillets of that, 1 egg yolk, 3 small cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and a bit of extra virgin olive oil and juice from half a lemon. Okay, to start with, we're going to put in the salt and pepper, and I'm going to mix that in at the bottom. I'll put it off to one side here because my little fork is too long. And then we're going to put in all the garlic, and we're going to crush the garlic by hand. And the black pepper and the crushed garlic really make a classic Caesar salad. And that's it. Next, we're going to mix in 3 fillets of anchovies. It's 2 and 3. Coming right up. So with all the extra anchovies, if you store this in a little plastic container and top it up with a bit of olive oil, this will last a long time in your fridge. Now we're just going to crush up the anchovies. So in this recipe, there isn't much salt, but there's a lot of salt, of course, in the anchovies. So be guided by that. And you see there isn't much salt in the ingredient list. The anchovies will do that job for us really, really well. Okay, next we're going to put in our Dijon mustard. Incorporate that a bit. And put in our Worcestershire sauce. And our egg yolk. Oh. And I'll just whip this up. And see already it's getting quite thick. So now we're going to get the vegetable oil I'm using is canola oil, and it's a 1/4 cup. So go really, really slow. Drizzle and just whip it up really well. part is very important. You really mix it up well. Take your time, take a few minutes, and you can see it is getting quite thick. And the reason why we're using a vegetable oil like canola is it's not overpowering. Whereas if you use this strictly olive oil, it would just overtake all the flavor. So that's what my recipe goes by, and I've done this many times, and it is fantastic. So you can see it is getting quite thick. Now we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to take our sweet time doing that too. And then a little bit more. That's about 2. So I'm comfortable just eyeballing it like that. If you're not, then measure it out and put it into a little measuring cup. Okay. Now that looks quite thick, but now we're going to put in juice of half a lemon. I'm going to pop that in my little lemon press, and I don't know how much juice is in it in half a lemon, but it might be a tablespoon or so. So I'm okay with that consistency. And I might add just a drizzle more of olive oil, or sorry, canola oil. Let me take a little taste test. Oh boy, that is fantastic. And because, summer's almost here and barbecue season, Caesar salad, I mean, it'll pair with anything. Burgers, pizza, chicken wings, chicken breast, fish. Like, it's a really versatile salad. So if you've never tried it, this is your chance to give it a whirl. So the salad has been in my fridge for about an hour, crisping up, and I gave it a good wash, put it in the salad spinner, and yeah, it's nice, fresh, clean, crisp, and dry of any moisture. So the Caesar dressing is going to stick to this lettuce like nobody's business, which is the way it should be. So at this point, what you want to do is just place the lettuce on top, and as much as you think it takes to get everything thoroughly coated, but don't be anxious to mix everything up just yet. You only mix in the lettuce and the crouton and the cheese when you're ready to eat, because leaving the coated lettuce with the Caesar dressing will get extremely mushy and wet. So, which is what you don't want. You want a nice crisp salad, thoroughly covered with the Caesar dressing. So here we're going to put a bit of nice Parmigiano Reggiano all on top. You can add as much as you like, a half a cup, whatever. I'm adding a cup of Caesar style croutons because I didn't have time to make some from scratch. I had a bit of lettuce left over, and later, if I want, which I'll probably do, I'll add the balance of that lettuce on top of my Caesar. And that's it. It's that simple. And there. So that's all. Alrighty. So let's just get all the ingredients mixed in together. And as I said, if I need more lettuce, I can always add more lettuce. And but I think I should be okay just like this. Like this salad dressing is so nice and thick, and I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 5-10 minutes. I just want the croutons to get kind of covered with the Caesar dressing, and then soften up a bit, and then we'll do a nice little taste test. Be back in a minute. There you have it, fresh made, classic Caesar salad. And I'm just going to help myself to just a little bit in a bowl here, and just to try it out. Let's see what we have. Wow, nice and tangy. The cheese is coming through. The anchovies, really, really nice. Just overall, the flavor and the lemon. Fantastic. So, pardon me. So I encourage you to give this a try this summer, any time of the year, and you won't be sorry. So thanks for dropping by my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and till the next one, take care. Bye now.